In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine, keep screen on, and download free app from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it and hit OK in welcome pop-up. Then hit Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and go into Tab menu. Now to continue, you need to edit it. To do that, use this pen at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to look for Caffeine shortcut and drag it to your current ones. Then click on this arrow at the top left corner. Click on your new shortcut and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!